Hello and welcome to My Future Success as a futures day trader. You guys, this is exciting. I've just logged onto my computer right now. Let's do a technical analysis real quick and let's pull out some money in the market. You guys, right now, take a look at what's happening. Overall, we're in this linear regression that's heading to the upside, right? So we want to have our buy signals illuminated. You can tell these other spots in the market end up being really good plays for going long. Now down here on this dashboard, money is flowing into the market. Our middle band is solid green, meaning bull market momentum, and we have a green dot here, which is a key EMA crossover. Let's go over here to our Tradovate account and let's go ahead and buy the market. Let's go for 1 point in the market. Now you guys, you can hear it in the back, order filled. This is going to equate to a $200 profit when going for 1 point in the market. So you're going to see this over here. This is going to fluctuate and it's going to be $50 per tick. And we're just going to go for one of these each morning. And I want to show you here live when I'm trading, what I'm looking for in the market, as long as all of our metrics are still in combination to the upside here. So let's stay on here together. Let's show you exactly what I'm seeing. I want you to hear what I'm saying and how I'm analyzing this in real time with the charts. If you want to go back on this real time right now is going to be 8:26. Today is Wednesday, May 8th. If you go back on your charts, I'm going to pull up the settings here on these indicators, and it's going to show you exactly what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and pull up the indicators here. Keep an eye on the right side over here, up 1 to 2 ticks right now. Again, we're only going to go for just 1 point in the market. That'll equate to $200. Once you guys have these indicators and metrics load on your chart, I want you to have this length set at 100. This is going to calculate the last 100 candles on your chart, and it's going to tell you either you're heading in a bullish, bearish, or consolidating market. Then I want you to have these other settings here, 9, 2, 9, 14, 12, 26, and 9. If you have that on the top and also the bottom dashboard here, that is what's going to give you your charts looking exactly like this. Now, what I want to do here, guys, I want to do shout outs. Every time I come on here, I want to give a shout out to members that have actually joined us just in the last day. So I'm going to keep this live on the chart. Keep an eye over here on the Tradovate account. This will be live here showing profit and loss just so there's transparency on the channel. Also the buy signal illuminated here. Looks like it might be, there we go. Order is closed out and filled. That is a $200 profit here this morning. We have only been trading here live when I've logged onto this computer for probably less than 5 minutes. But you guys, right now, I want to give a shout out. Since everyone's on here, if you have joined us, you're going to hear your name with this. So let's go through this real quick. We have someone right now. Actually, you know what? Let's go to Alex. Welcome to the team. Mr. David, welcome to the team. Madhu, welcome to the team. Terrell, welcome to the team as well. Martin Perry, welcome. Richard, welcome. You guys, everyone who is on here has actually joined our team and using these metrics. If you guys haven't done so already, I want you to head over to myfuturesuccess.com or just click the link in the description below here, and this will give you access to everything right away within minutes. Just click I want this over here to the right. Literally takes just a couple seconds. It'll give you everything you need to download the metrics on your chart, and you can see exactly what I'm seeing right now. Take a look at our customer reviews, our comments that we have on here, and each day I will be going here recording me live trading with the E-mini futures, showing you guys live real examples of exactly what I look at in the market, just like this position today, to be able to pull out a couple $100. Let's continue here. Richard, welcome to the team. Parakoy, I don't know if I'm saying that right, sorry, but welcome to the team. Stephen Hengels, welcome to the team. Richard, welcome to the team, and Daniel, welcome to the team. And I think I have one more here. Douglas, welcome to the team. So if I didn't get your name in there, I'll hopefully try to get it tomorrow, but welcome to all the new people and members that have just joined us within the last 24 hours. It's so exciting to see a team like this grow. I'm excited to be able to be here and educate everyone on exactly what I'm looking at in the market, showing you live examples here and giving you the best education that I can possibly do so you can mimic this exact strategy if you have limited time either in the morning or the afternoon to help make you guys some money in the market. Again, if you have any questions on either loading indicators on your chart, if you have questions on accessing our complimentary Discord that I do have a lot of traders on our Discord who are trading the futures and different types of markets with these metrics. I am personally not super active on the Discord, I'll be honest, just with my child and other businesses. So if you need direct access to me, please send me an email. I will do everything I can to make this the most amazing experience you've ever had with trading with anyone. That is my main goal. And again, education is number one. Please have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for following. Click the like and subscribe button to see as many videos like this throughout the week in live action, showing you exactly how to make money in the market. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.